Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Gyan Valuable. So today in this video we will be using Screener dot in AI feature. So it's the new feature which they have launched, and I'll just try to find out some good companies which are fundamentally strong and are poised for good growth. So here you can see I have taken one example as On Mobile Global Limited. So I already have screens which I have set based on the that is I have some criterias for which I have set all the query. So this in this query I have set that market cap should be greater than 500, debt to equity less than 1, debt to profit after tax greater than 1, so it should not be an SME, price to earnings less than 100. So all these criteria, it has given me a results, some good companies, and I will going to filter out from the small market cap companies. Here you can see I will be taking an example of On Mobile Global. So we will start with AI feature using, and I already have the questions popped out. So I have already asked them what is the business model. So while analyzing, first step, we will need to understand what the business the company is doing. So overall, the company is operating in a B2B platforms as a global leader in mobile entertainment and gaming. So this is what the company background is majorly, and how they make money using subscription model dominance. So they are subscription model some platforms. They provide some tone video games to online telecom brands. So it's a global company. It's not only in India. It's already has many telecom operators as a customers. So this is how you can use the AI feature to quickly analyze a company in a faster way. So you will get all the key products, what the company sells, its unique selling proposition. So all these things you can just evaluate here using this AI feature, and it will be charged based on how many documents it covers to give you the results. So it's you can check here the usage. So this is the how the usage comes. I have recharged for 500 rupees, and now it's every search. It depends on how many documents it verifies to provide you the result. So it's generally for every search it takes 10 to 7 rupees, and it's very interesting search, which is which will help you to fasten your research process. So this is how you can use. And the second thing, you can also ask whether the company is overvalued or undervalued, the share price. And in this, I found that the company is really undervalued. You can just skip all these valuation models and just go back down to the conclusions. Here, it says strongly undervalued. Current EV, it shows all the basic price targets, and here they are given the price target. So this is not a buying recommendation. I'm just providing you the feature of this screener.ai, how you can use this to find out some multi-baggers that are in the future. So that is what now you can also click on whether the promoter holding. So next other criterias which you need to consider might be the growth prospect of this company. So you can use the AI and ask it the growth. I'm just simply typing growth prospect of the company in the next 3 years. So it will refer all the documents available with it, and the commentary which is recently posted in the presentation for the board meetings. So it refers all those documents, and it presents in a very simpler way. So this is how the growth prospect looks. You can see the growth outlook is very strong, driven by gaming scale up, high margin business. So you can see the revenues growth model CAGR 27%. It's a very high company. You can see the company is going. It's showing a fundamentally strong results. You can see. So gaming revenues expected to grow by 50% financial year 2026. So it's a company which can grow very quickly in the next 3 years, and you can see there are it's a targets of 2x, 3x are given here. So the growth prospect is very strong for this. So this is how you can use this AI feature to quickly analyze. You need to validate all this data. So where the data is being generated from, you should validate your analysis. You should validate this analysis. You should do your own analysis separately, not blindly trusting this. But yeah, it is what there is no more manipulation here. I can see it's all the actual data which is posted in the company's financial results, and it takes all those presentations and considers and pop ups this results. So this is what we need to consider while analyzing a company. So growth prospect, pricing should be undervalued. There should be a good business model which is more booming in nature. So yeah, so these are the basic criterias. You can just quickly analyze using this AI feature and make your investment decisions more quickly. So thank you for watching. If you have any queries, any comments, you can just comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos like this. I will be posting continuously some good companies which are for a long-term players. Fine. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.